The WASH program installation was officially launched today by the member for Rigo Lekwa Gure, with the 2 million kina component that was released by the national government for COVID-19 prevention measures. The Rigo District Development Authority has taken up the initiative to ensure there are tanks made available in villages in the district for people to wash hands, as it is one of the preventive measures. This is to ensure that people exercise the new normal.
Just to make sure that we prevent the spread of the coronavirus disease in Rigo District, so that we can be able to help our children and our people in the community to start exercising the new normal. Every day, before you go into the class, you wash your hands, you come out from the class, you wash your hands, you go to the toilet, you come out, you wash your hands, so it becomes a habit.
40 villages in the district were selected for the tank installation project, starting with Sabuya, Manugoro, Gaba, Gomore, and 63 other villages in the district. This project will be ongoing for 4 months. The MP explained that this project is not only for the COVID-19 measures, but will help prevent everyone from other diseases such as malaria.
So at the end of the day, we expect to complete this in about 4 months, towards the end of May, maybe early part of June. Then this rollout of the WASH installations will be completed. Now with these installations, it is not only for COVID-19, because it can be used for other purposes as well. Because it's not only COVID-19 that we are dealing with. We are dealing with many other diseases like different types of cancer, malaria, and TB.
The WASH project started at Sabuya last week and was completed yesterday. Rigo MP Lekwa Gure officially launched the project here at Manugoro and will continue into the district. 40 water tanks will be installed in 40 villages in the district. This is not only to help prevent COVID-19, but for hygiene and drinking purposes as well. Gertrude Gabi, National EMTV News.